For many men over 60, energy loss, decline in sexual desire, and loss of confidence are common but often unspoken struggles. These issues, although rarely discussed, deeply affect quality of life. As men age, they find themselves battling these challenges, which negatively impact their daily routines, relationships, and overall well-being. One of the most overlooked causes of these struggles is the prostate. This small gland, located deep within the pelvis, plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. However, as men age, the prostate is susceptible to various conditions, such as inflammation and enlargement, which can lead to discomfort, urinary issues, and sexual dysfunction. Symptoms like frequent urination, especially at night, urinary urgency, and a weakened sexual drive are all telltale signs of prostate problems. Many men assume these symptoms are simply a part of growing older, but the truth is they are often related to an unhealthy prostate. Today, we will explore natural remedies that can help alleviate these symptoms, specifically through the use of natural foods that can reduce prostate inflammation, improve blood circulation, and restore your confidence. In this video, we will focus on dietary changes that are simple, effective, and don't require expensive medications or invasive treatments. By incorporating the right fruits and foods into your diet, you can improve your prostate health and live a more fulfilling life. Let's dive into these solutions and discover how small changes can make a big impact on your health. The prostate is a vital organ for male reproductive health, and it has a significant impact on overall well-being. Located just below the bladder, it surrounds the urethra and plays an essential role in producing seminal fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. However, as men age, the prostate undergoes changes that can lead to complications, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, which is characterized by an enlarged prostate. Prostate inflammation or prostatitis can also cause discomfort and disrupt daily activities. When the prostate becomes inflamed, it puts pressure on the bladder and urethra, resulting in symptoms like frequent urination, urinary urgency, and painful urination. These issues often interfere with sleep and can lead to fatigue, irritability, and a reduced sexual drive. It's essential to address these symptoms and their root causes rather than simply accepting them as a normal part of aging. One of the most effective ways to manage prostate inflammation is through dietary changes. Natural foods have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation in the pelvic area. This leads to better prostate function, reduced symptoms, and improved overall health. In the following sections, we will explore various foods and fruits that have been proven to help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and restore prostate health. These changes can offer a natural and sustainable solution for maintaining a healthy prostate. Tomatoes are a nutrient-rich fruit that have long been associated with prostate health, thanks to the presence of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene is widely recognized for its ability to reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, both of which contribute to the development of prostate issues. Studies have shown that consuming cooked tomatoes can reduce prostate inflammation by up to 40% in just a few months. This is because cooking tomatoes releases more lycopene, making it easier for the body to absorb and utilize. Lycopene helps protect the prostate from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can cause oxidative stress and promote cell damage. In addition to reducing inflammation, tomatoes offer several other health benefits. They help improve blood circulation, support cardiovascular health, and have been shown to slow down the aging process. By incorporating tomatoes into your diet, you can experience a significant improvement in prostate health while also benefiting from their broader impact on overall wellness. Try to eat tomatoes at least 5 times a week, whether in salads, soups, or cooked dishes, to maximize their prostate protective benefits. This simple change can have long-lasting effects on your health. Watermelon is not just a refreshing and hydrating fruit. It also has remarkable effects on prostate health. This delicious fruit contains L-citrulline, an amino acid that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood circulation. By improving circulation, watermelon ensures that the prostate receives adequate nutrients and oxygen, which helps reduce inflammation and promote better prostate function. L-citrulline works by helping the body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a key role in blood vessel dilation. When the blood vessels relax and expand, circulation is enhanced, which benefits the prostate and other organs, including the heart and brain. This helps reduce swelling, improve blood flow, and maintain overall vitality. Including watermelon in your diet, especially during the warmer months, can be an enjoyable and effective way to support prostate health. Its ability to improve circulation and reduce inflammation makes it a fantastic addition to your prostate-friendly diet. Strawberries are another powerful fruit that contains flavonoids and anthocyanins, two compounds that offer excellent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a key role in reducing inflammation and protecting prostate cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. In addition to their anti-inflammatory effects, strawberries also support cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation throughout the body, including the prostate. This is important because prostate health is closely tied to blood flow, and improving circulation helps reduce urinary urgency and nighttime urination, common symptoms of BPH. Strawberries are also rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and protect the body from infections. Incorporating strawberries into your daily routine, whether as a snack, in smoothies, or on top of yogurt, can provide significant benefits for both prostate health and overall wellness. Avocados are a versatile fruit that is packed with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for maintaining testosterone levels and supporting prostate health. Avocados also contain beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that has been shown to reduce prostate inflammation and improve urinary function. A diet rich in healthy fats from avocados can help stabilize testosterone levels, which is essential for male sexual health and prostate function. In addition to promoting healthy hormone levels, avocados help reduce swelling, balance hormones, and protect the body from inflammation. Incorporating half an avocado into your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to support prostate health. Whether added to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, avocados provide a wealth of benefits for maintaining overall well-being. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, an essential mineral for prostate health. Zinc plays a vital role in regulating testosterone levels, supporting the immune system, and reducing inflammation in the prostate. Studies have shown that adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can improve symptoms of BPH and help reduce nighttime urination. In addition to their zinc content, pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect prostate cells from oxidative damage. These seeds also support cardiovascular health and promote better blood circulation, both of which are essential for overall prostate health. Try incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet by sprinkling them on salads, adding them to smoothies, or eating them as a snack for an easy and effective way to improve prostate health. Red grapes are packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to boost testosterone levels and improve blood circulation. Resveratrol helps reduce excess estrogen in the body and protects the prostate from swelling and inflammation. Research has demonstrated that resveratrol can also improve memory, protect cardiovascular health, and enhance insulin sensitivity, all of which contribute to a healthy and energetic body. The antioxidant properties of red grapes make them a valuable addition to your diet, supporting prostate health and overall wellness. Whether you enjoy red grapes as a snack or in smoothies, this fruit offers a natural way to support prostate health and increase energy. The real power of these fruits and foods lies in their combination. By combining the antioxidant-rich properties of pomegranate, berries, and tomatoes, the healthy fats from avocados, the zinc from pumpkin seeds, and the resveratrol from red grapes, you create a nutrient-dense and anti-inflammatory powerhouse that supports prostate health and overall wellness. This holistic approach to improving prostate health involves balancing the nutrients your body needs to thrive. By combining these fruits and foods, you not only support your prostate, but also improve circulation, testosterone levels, and immune function. This synergy between superfoods enhances the effectiveness of each ingredient, providing comprehensive support for your prostate and overall health. In conclusion, maintaining prostate health after the age of 60 doesn't require expensive medications or invasive treatments. By incorporating simple, natural foods like pomegranate, walnuts, avocados, pumpkin seeds, and tomatoes into your daily diet, you can significantly improve your prostate health, boost circulation, and restore your vitality. The power of these superfoods lies in their ability to reduce inflammation, regulate hormones, and support overall well-being. Start incorporating these fruits and foods into your diet today, and you'll notice improvements in energy, confidence, and prostate health in no time.